Oh, hey there! Today we're diving into a programming problem that many folks might come across. The problem at hand revolves around writing a .wav PCM file header in C. The issue specifically lies in handling the bit per sample format parameter of a file. Currently, the struggle is to determine the sample size of a file before loading its data into memory. The existing solution caters to 8-bit and 16-bit PCMs, but accommodating various byte sizes seems like a daunting task without diving into loads of redundant functions. Fret not, as we're about to explore a cleaner approach to tackle this problem. Let's delve into the solution now. The key lies in utilizing a flexible array member for the data part, thus reducing redundancy and enhancing efficiency in handling different byte sizes. By structuring the code with the provided solution, we can streamline the process significantly. The struct data_chunk incorporates a union that seamlessly handles different byte sizes, while the WAV file struct neatly organizes the header information along with the data part. This particular struct layout allows for a more elegant and scalable solution to the initial problem. Expanding on the solution further, we focus on memory allocation and data handling. Allocating memory for the header with the malloc function sets the stage for reading the header from the file. As the header is read, the struct is resized using realloc to make room for the data based on the subchunk2 size. This dynamic resizing ensures efficient memory management and seamless handling of varying data sizes within the WAV file structure. Continuing with the solution approach, an alternate struct layout is presented to optimize the organization of data. By reorganizing the struct components and employing unions, the WAV file struct is enhanced for improved clarity and flexibility. This refined struct design not only maintains the integrity of the data, but also simplifies the handling of different byte sizes within WAV files. To wrap it up, we've explored a practical and efficient solution to the initial problem of managing the bits per sample format parameter in a .wav PCM file header. By structuring the code with flexible arrays and unions, we've achieved a more streamlined and adaptable approach. Remember, clean code is the way to go. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to hit subscribe, like the video, and drop a witty comment below. Until next time, happy coding!